Thanks for joining us. I'm Isis Romero. New at 6, an uncomfortable weekend in the Bexar County Jail. During this heat wave, the sheriff's office says the jail annex lost air conditioning on Friday. The units were fixed Saturday, but the Deputy Sheriff's Association of Bexar County says it points to a larger issue. KENS 5 reporter Troy Kless has a story.
The Deputy Sheriff's Association of Bexar County tells KENS 5 that there's been some AC issues at the jail over the past several days, but Bexar County has told us that they brought in temporary measures and were also working on permanent fixes.
The heat can be felt outside and inside the Bexar County Jail.
I understand that the floors were sweating. That's how hot it was in there.
Ronald Took, president of the DSABC, says the jail annex and parts of the main jail were impacted.
This is an ongoing issue with the adult detention center as far as the AC units are concerned. It's very troublesome to see that. I could just imagine the temperatures inside that jail.
But the Bexar County Sheriff's Office says its facility staff was working around the clock to get the AC running. According to the Sheriff's Office, a temporary chiller and industrial-sized fans were used while the AC went out. An estimated 13 units were impacted that can hold up to 800 inmates total. But the Sheriff's Office says inmates were moved to working units to remain in compliance with Texas jail standard requirements, which requires temperatures to be kept below 85 degrees. Uncomfortable for county employees and people in the county's care.
The employees, they don't have a choice. They can't go get in their car, and turn on the AC. And definitely the inmates don't have a choice. They're stuck there. So is that troublesome? Absolutely it is.
The Sheriff's Office says the temporary AC will permanently replace the chiller at a later time. Troy Kless, KENS 5.